Cornerstone Gardens here in Mobile, and I was just wandering around and noticed that they were doing an air layer on a plant, and I wanted to show you guys what that is if you've never seen this before. So this is a camellia, and what they've done is they have taken this branch here and they've stripped off the bark underneath this aluminum foil. They've added sphagnum moss underneath there, and there's probably a layer of plastic and then aluminum foil, like a saran wrap and then aluminum foil. It could just be aluminum foil, but basically that holds the moisture in, and by stripping that bark off, what they've done is they have created an environment where roots can grow. So once the roots start to grow on this, they can clip this piece off, and this whole branch right here will be a new plant that they can put into a pot. So, you know, instead of starting out with seeds or starting out with little tiny plants, they'll have this big plant to start off with, a brand new camellia. Anyway, so if you've never seen that before, it's a really cool way to take plants that you already have and propagate them into new ones and get a really nice sized plant to start off with. So comment below if you have any questions about this. If you've never seen it before, I'd be really interested to know. This is kind of something I've seen since I was a kid playing in the garden, but it may be new to some of y'all. So send me some messages.